In this demo today, we're going to take a quick look at the monitor service inside Atomic Labs Pion. The monitor service is one of my favorite things to use. It is the best way to check out whether your Pion instance is working correctly and doing what you think it's doing. It's very easy to look at the events that are being emitted by a specific reactor. All you need to do is right click the reactor and choose monitor events. The window will pop up. You might want to just increase the buffer size. And obviously you can't, at the moment, you can't see anything's happening because there's no events coming in. And there's also an update interval of 5 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over quickly and take a quick look at my little pizza store. I'm going to go and have a look, and I'm going to add 3 pizzas to the cart. And you can see up here the 3 pizzas have been added to the cart. If I go back into Pion now, I can actually see there have been a number of HTTP events and 1 page event. So I can have a look at the client. Actually, you can see more events coming in now. I can have a look at the client IP, and you can see it come in at the next refresh cycle. I can look at the URI, which again pops in at the next refresh cycle, and I'll just resize that to give it a little bit more space. And one thing I'm interested in is, let's have a look at the user agent and my custom value. The actual reactor that I used as a transformation reactor that is actually extracting a value from the page, and the value it is extracting is that basket total which we looked at earlier. So if I come down here, I'm just going to filter out the HTTP events to just focus on the page event, and I can actually see there's that 3897 that's been parsed out of the basket. Again, it's a great way to check what you're doing is actually working. So let's add in another item to my basket. It's jumped up to 138. Come back in here, give it another minute for the browser to come up for the update interval. And obviously, you saw before it flashed up. I can hover over these things and get a little bit more information and increase the space. Actually, click on it, and there you can see straight away. Here's that other value that's been passed out of the page. So when you're first using your Pion reactor, you're not sure whether you're getting data in. You're not sure whether the processing that you're doing is doing what you think it's doing, whether it's filtering it out, whether it's a transform reactor like this that's extracting value. The monitor reactor is your best way to see what's happening under the covers with Pion and make sure that your configuration is correct. Thanks very much.